Good morning, my students. Welcome to the class. Our today's class is English and the name of the book is Rain Tree English. Okay? आज हम लिटरेचर का चैप्टर नंबर 1 करेंगे जिसका नेम है हाउ ओल्ड इज मुत्ताजी. नाउ आई नो ऑल ऑफ यू विल बी वेरी एक्साइटेड, बट वाई? क्यों एक्साइटेड होंगे इस स्टोरी को लेके? येस, ये स्टोरी बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग है. इट्स जनवरी 2016. ओके, पुत्ता एंड पुत्ती ट्विंस हैं, सिबलिंग्स हैं जो विज़िट करते हैं अपने मुत्ताजी के घर में. एंड हु इज़ दिस मुत्ताजी? इट्स द ग्रेट ग्रैंड मदर ऑफ पुत्ता एंड पुत्ती इन मैसूर फॉर हर बर्थडे, उनके बर्थडे के लिए. बट कोई भी नहीं जानता कि मुत्ताजी एक्चुअल में कितने ईयर्स की हैं. सो ये दोनों ट्विंस डिसाइड करते हैं कि ये मिस्ट्री को हम हर हालत में सॉल्व करेंगे. अब मिस्ट्री सॉल्व करते हुए इन दोनों को बहुत सारी चीज़ों का पता लगता है जिससे कि ये दोनों अवेयर नहीं थे. अब वो कौन कौन सी हैं चीज़ें? सो लेट मी टेल यू इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट टर्म. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ कि महाराजा और महारानी के टाइम की story. Second, both of them learn about the clean trains. The third, tourist place of Mysore कौन कौन से हैं. The next, डैम के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. ये KRS डैम कौन सा डैम है जो कि कावेरी नदी के ऊपर बना है, राइट. द अनदर वन इज़ वृंदावन गार्डन्स. कौन से होते हैं वृंदावन गार्डन्स? नेक्स्ट इस बारे में ये पढ़ते हैं लर्न अबाउट इंडियन रेलवेज़. येस, सो ये बहुत सारी एक्साइटिंग चीज़ों के बारे में इन्हें जानने को मिलता है और इस मिस्ट्री को ये इन चीज़ों की हेल्प से सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. एंड एट द एंड इन दोनों को पता लग जाता है कि इनकी ग्रेट ग्रैंड मदर की एज क्या है, राइट. सो इन दिस क्लास आई विल रीड दिस चैप्टर and the explanation of this chapter will be done on our Zoom class. Okay, so let's make a reading. The moment they reached the old great greenhouse in Mysore, the twins burst into Muttaji's room. Happy birthday, Muttaji! How old are you today? Muttaji hugged the twins. How old am I? Who knows? How does it matter? But it does, cried Putta and Putti together. Muttaji smiled. Well, she said, I know that around 5 years before I was born, our Maharaja went to a grand party for Indian Maharajas and Maharanis in Delhi. A British king and queen had came to visit and our Maharaja got a gold medal. Who was the king? Muttaji asked Putta. If you know, we can find out which year he visited. If we add 5 years to that, we will know when you were born. Muttaji shrugged. I have forgotten, Putta. Putta's face fell. Well said, Muttaji. Let me see if I can remember something else. Aunt, when I was about your age, 9 or 10, my uncle from Bombay visited us and told us about clean trains. Clean trains? Yes, Muttaji was excited. They had started running in Bombay that year. You never got dirty traveling in them, no black dust on your clothes and face. The twins stared at her. Why would anyone get dirty traveling by train? Some years later, continued Muttaji, I got married. I must have been 16 then. Very soon after my marriage, your Muttaji got a job in Bombay and we left Mysore. Did anything important happen the year you got married, Muttaji? Asked Putta. Yes, said Muttaji. Our Maharaja inaugurated our big dam and the beautiful gardens next to it during the Dasara festival that year. A big dam, Putta sat up. Is it still there? ये दोनों कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछते रहते हैं. Muttaji laughed. Of course, it is the dam built across the Kaveri. Ajji put her head around the door. Are you talking about KRS Amma? Yes, Muttaji said, looking fondly at Ajji. Your Ajji was my 5th child. The youngest but also always the smartest. KRS is the Krishna Sagar Dam, said Ajji, bringing in balls of vermicelli pyasa, Muttaji's favorite sweet dish. The Vrindavan gardens are the gardens attached to it. We went there last 3 years to see the musical fountains, remember? The twins nodded. Said Putti, your pyasa was the best, Ajji. When I was KRS Bill, do you know, Ajji? Ajji shook her head. I'm not sure, but you can go with Ajja to the central library after lunch and find out. In the library, Putti found a book on the history of Mysore. The twins grinned. That meant Muttaji had indeed married in 1932, 84 years ago. Muttaji thinks that she was 16 when she got married, said Putti. But she could have been 16 or 17 or 18. She also said she was about 9 or 10 when her Bombay uncle told her about the clean train, said Putta. Ajji may note what that means. Ajja was in the reading room. Ajja, whispered Putti, in the olden days did people get dirty travelling by train? He nodded. There were steam engines then, which ran on coal, not electricity, he said. Black coal dust used to fly out of the chimney and land on everyone and everything. Terrible. That's it, Putti, hissed Putta. Electric trains were the clean trains. He pulled out a book on the Indian Railway. It says here, he pointed that the first electric trains came out in Bombay in 2025. And Muttaji says that she was about 9 then, said Putta. If she is right, then Muttaji was born in 1916. But she could be wrong, frowned Putti. Only one way to make sure, said Putta. We have to find out a big party for kings and queens in Delhi, which Muttaji said happened 5 years before she was born. They ran back to Ajja. Ajji was a great grand party for a foreign king who was visited around 1911. Okay? And similarly, the story goes on, and at the end, that means Muttaji, that you were born in 1916. You are exactly 100 years old today. So here both of them get to know that the age of the Muttaji is 100 years. So it's her 100th birthday. That's great work, twins, smiled Amma. I think you and Muttaji deserve a special treat. A big spongy cake with pink icing and a rose on the top. Hooray, cheered the twins. So this is all about our story, right? And explanation of this chapter will be done on our online class through Zoom. So till then, please make a reading of it. Okay, bye-bye and take care.